Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of the box, what kind of box it is, or possibly whose box it come out of. But before we get unboxing, let's get uncanny with a can of Canadian Carling. Woo! 4.9% brewed in Canada. Cheers, beers. Oh, that's nice. Today's box is white, brownish orange, red, and black. It's made of cardboard. It measures 7 inches by 3.5 inches by 1.25 inches and weighs 220 grams. When you shake it, it sounds like this. Hey, shaking asthma. Shake your asthma. Ooh, did you like that shaking asthma? Our box looks like this. President's Choice White Cheddar Deluxe Macaroni and Cheese Dinner. Ooh. Cheddar Blanc. Preparation instructions. Stovetop. Oh, and even in the microwave. Well, we won't be doing that in the microwave. Ingredients. Words. Nutritional facts. Words and numbers. Barcode for all you barcode boneheads. Oh, French instructions. Mode de preparation. It's not paella mode. So, let's see if there really is macaroni and white cheddar cheese in there. Maybe it's cat food. You know, cat chow. Okay, listen, maybe we get some asthma. Here we go, listen. Listen, listen. Unboxing asthma. Oh, damn. It is macaroni. There's a pouch. Macarons. Not macaroons, macarons. Give me a container here. I'm unprepared. Let's see if there's anything else in there. No. The box is empty. Macaroni and a pouch. Wasn't that exciting? I was kind of hoping for cat chow. Oh well, maybe next time. There you go, bitches. President's Choice. Fuck yeah. Until the next super spectacular unboxing adventure, drink beer and get wrecked. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Till next time.